Hi guys, we're back. This is the trade-off. We have just entered the trade pound NOK, Norwegian kroner. This is our 11th trade at the moment. We're currently in both our 10th and 11th trade. Our 10th is Australia, New Zealand dollar, which we're currently in. And also this is our 11th. Just so you're aware, those who haven't been following this so far, we have had 100% success rate, not one single losing trade so far. So 9 out of 9, like I say, we're in a 10th and 11th at the moment. It's phenomenal. We've grown 33% in 19 days. This is how good the Strat 93 is, guys. It is fantastic and it's making us significant money. If you had a £100,000 account and you utilize this over the last 19 days, you know, you would have come out with £33,000 profit at the moment. So yes, my account's small. Yes, I want to show those of you that haven't got £100,000 to spare that you can still make some really good money and grow your account with £1,000. And I also want to show you guys how I'm going to turn, hopefully, this £1,000 into financial freedom down the line. So that's my goal, guys. That's what the trade-off is all about. And we're essentially trading our job for full-time trading. That's the goal. That's the idea. So, yeah, we're in our 11th trade at the moment. Let me just show you everything that you need to know before we start. This is, again, still my real account. 10,29636. That's really important for you to know, guys, because I haven't changed accounts. It's still the same account, and I can show you my trades at the moment. As you can see, it's still the same amount that I've got. My account is £1,407 when I entered into both of these trades. You know, nothing's been duped. I'm making sure that you watch and see every single trade that I do, so I can't add money in, take money away, deposit money or anything like that. It is what it is. It's real, it's live, and that's the way I like to do it, to prove to you that one strategy really can change an account from £1,000 to whatever financial freedom means to you. So 100,000, a million, whatever. So that's the goal. I am going to go back into this now. I'm actually going to set my next point of getting in, which, as you know, if you've been following this, it is 50 pips higher. But obviously our leverage has changed now, as you can see. Well, the writing's there, which is really annoying. But let's have a look. There you are. You can see here my sell is 0.05 at the side there. For those that can't see, just there. Now that's actually increased, and this is the best part about Forex trading, guys, is that actually as you grow your account, the more margin or leverage you can put against it because the account's now bigger and it can deal with it. This is now 0.05. I've jumped from 0.04. Again, it's still micro at the moment. It's very, very small. But by the time you get to 10,000, you're kind of like a sort of 0.15, 0.2, whatever it is. But obviously it's 50p a pip at the moment. And you know, once you get to £2 a pip and £5 a pip, you know, you can start making some real significant pips, which is quite exciting. So yeah, it's growing. I'm going to set my next one up, and obviously we double it each time. So my next sell will be 0.1, because that's twice 0.05. I'm just going to set that up now. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is go into my trade. You can see here I got in at 11.380, so 380 I need to look at. I need to then set up a new account, a new order on pound NOK at 50 pips higher. Okay, so I add that. We did 380, so I'm going to set up a sell limit again at 0.1 instead. So obviously it's 380 380 on this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to so what's that? 380, 430, 430. Next, that actually sets up my stop loss as well. So we're going to do 11, 430. So we want it at 630 because it's 200 pips. If you want an explanation on why we do 200 pips, please see the link above now, and you can see that. There we go. So, oh, that was my take profit. The little thing jumped. Take profit we don't know yet. Well, we do know, but I haven't got it in my head. We can do this here. 630 is our stop loss done. Okay, place the order, ready to go. So guys, you can see now, if I go back into this here, you can see that set up now above there. So hopefully, oh, that's my take profit. I've set that up already on my on this buy. I need to set it now up on this, sorry, this sell. I need to do it on this sell as well. Set it down there because that's where the mean is today. Whether it will go up to there and come back down in a day, I very much doubt it, but stranger things have happened. We had a 300 pipper the other day here, so she got in there, we'd got in around about there, and then we got in right down here, and then it went right up in our favor, and I think we made across both pound NOK and pound Danish kroner, we made 13.3%, which was just huge. Massive, £135 for, you know, on a $1,052 account. It's huge, you know, really, really huge. If I say, by the way, pound, it's because I live in England and we're very used to saying pound. Everything here is in dollars, so I do apologize if I keep saying pound. It's actually all in dollars. $133 we made. But yeah, so guys, what I'll do is I'll update you once this trade has completed, and we will go from there. We're already in profit with this by about £5. As you can see though, however, Aussie New Zealand dollar, the actual sell amount is far more. Usually we have our first input is 0.04, and then it gets staggered higher and higher as it draws away from our goal. This, because it doesn't move very much, we actually double our leverage because the movement is usually only 35 pips that we usually sort of see with this currency. So essentially it needs double the leverage to actually make the trade worthwhile. But also it's a safer trade because it doesn't move as much. Saying that, as you can see here, this candle here alone is nearly 100 pips, which you actually tend to see quite a lot in Aussie New Zealand dollar, because it doesn't move very much, and then it has a bit of news and it moves 50, 100 pips in one go. So it's quite jittery, quite a jumpy currency, but it's worth doing because it's very well correlated, the Aussie New Zealand dollar, and it won't ever go kind of crazy against your favor. It will kind of move very slowly, and you have to be quite patient with it. But again, it's one of our currencies that we rely on, one of our currencies that we back tested and has given us fantastic results year after year after year for the last 5 years really. So definitely worth keeping it in our performance portfolio. But yeah, we're in this now. It's a first entry point. If I change this to hour chart, you can see above is my next entry ready to go. What I haven't done yet is put my take profit in. Take profit get out points down here, 375 around there. So you know, we could make a good nearly 60 pips today if it comes down in one day. So I will set that up now, and then we can crack on really. Modify the order, take profit. We know it's 375. Done. Modify. Hi guys, here we are back in the trade-off. This is now our 12th trade, and as you can see right now, we actually got in not that long ago, 15, 20, 30, about an hour and a half ago, and it's already gone flying down the opposite way, which is just fantastic. So we'll probably see us get out very, very quickly here, but this trade is going very, very quickly. So let's just see where we're at with everything here. Wow, that is phenomenal. As you can see, we're 116 quid, 118. This is mental. It's a DKK. We're nearly there with DKK as well. It's just flying down to 4% nearly on DKK. GP knock as well. We're on 70 quid there. And our Aussie dollar that we got in earlier today as well is still plodding on. But coming back to the numbers, etc. Here we go. We are nearly out of this trade. Let's see if we can get out today. That would be fabulous. Gosh, that's a quick trade. Literally an hour and a half. That very rarely happens. But what I might do actually, guys, is I might get out manually in here because it's struggling to push that out. I'm going to get out of here now, as you can see. Close order, profit, thank you very much. Done there. Hi guys, we are back, and this is the trade-off. We're still in the pound knock. It's gone up, it's gone down. We couldn't get out here because of it was the end of the day here, and the split between the buy and the sell, these two, the red and the blue line, was massive. I think the blue line was the red line was up here, so we couldn't get much of the profit there. It was still fairly wide at this point here, so we couldn't get out there either. I mean, to be fair, the trade is telling us to get out here, so we didn't want to get out here anyway. Really, any closer maybe would have got out early if it hadn't gone all the way down. However, it's gone up, it's gone back down. We thought it could have broken then, but it didn't. It's gone up again. This is the second time. It looks like it could break this time. It is taking a while though, and we're hoping that we can get out. As you can see, the trade's just absolutely phenomenal. I mean, on 89 pounds on the second entry, 15 pounds on the first entry. You know, guys, that there between the two is, you know, 10.5% just in the pound knock. Then we've got the Aussie New Zealand dollar on top, which is another 1.4% at the moment. Considering I started on £1,000, as you can see, my equity there is up to £1,566. That's the second line down below the balance there, guys. You know, this is absolutely phenomenal, and we only started a real account on the 4th of March, guys. So very exciting stuff. I'm going to go back to the charts now, see what it's going to do. If it looks, guys, like it's going to turn around again, I am just going to get out manually. Hi guys, we're back, and it has finally completed. This is 12 out of 12 trades. Absolutely phenomenal. Like I say, this is a strat 93, guys. 93 out of 100 trades you'll be profitable on. It is fantastic. We are at 12 out of 12 so far. Let me show you the my account balance. As you can see here, guys, $1,573 in my account. At the start of this month, on the 4th of March, I started my real account, and I have grown it by over $500 in a month. It's absolutely amazing. This here, guys, is 50% that we've grown. Let me show you all the trades as well, because I think you'll really like that. Here's a history. Just today we got out of Aussie New Zealand dollar with a very small profit, but a profit nonetheless. Pound NOK and pound DKK as well finished off really strong again. A great 4% growth from DKK, and you know, well over, what's that now, 95, 103, 113 pounds. I mean, that's 11%, guys. Nearly 11% growth just in that pound NOK trade. So guys, again, phenomenal result. Another $163. I will show you, oh, hang on a minute, we're on the right bit there. I will show you from the start of this month, and I will prove to you guys that not one single trade has become a loss. So we started on the 4th of March. That's when I opened my account, and as you can see, guys, 520 pounds, dollar, oh my word, I keep saying pounds when it should be dollars. $520 profit. And as you can see, there are a few losses, but as explained in previous videos, guys, you know, the Euro USD here and here also comes with this Euro USD here, 51.70, you see. So overall, you know, we made £20 on that trade. Again, we've got, you know, a £2.80 trade with DKK here, but the other DKK was down here at 45.66. So, you know, and you can see the times and the dates on them. They're all the same there as well. So, you know, not one single loss we've got. And as you can see, it's just profit after profit after profit after profit. It's just mad, guys. So this is the real thing. You know, this is one strategy. Very, very, very simple to do. Very simple to follow. And it's just getting fantastic results. So if you're interested, guys, I actually have a prize that I'm going to be giving, and that prize is to actually learn all about this strat via a Skype phone call. I will tell you how to set up the strat. I'll tell you how to get in, how to get out, or where to get in and where to get out. I will tell you the steps that we've taken to make it extremely profitable. I will tell you absolutely everything about it, but you have to subscribe. So in June, if you subscribe to this channel and you're one of my subscribers, you go into a pool of people and I will pick one person out in June and I will teach you the whole strat, back to front, inside out. If you encourage other people and share my video as well, guys, then you, every time you've encouraged someone else to be a subscriber, I will also put them in the pot, and that will go to you yourself as well. So you have multiple opportunities. So guys, honestly, the right bottom corner here, subscribe if you like what you see. You know, send messages, share the videos, etc., and just see how I keep going. Obviously, we've done an unbelievable amount, 50% in 1 month we've grown, and we are going to continue that hopefully into April. And yeah, just keep following to see where I get up to in a couple of months time. All right, this is a trade-off, over and out.